Hi, my name is Roger, and in this video I'm going to show you how this product works. This is our USB Videograbber, and with this product you can digitize your old videos taped on VHS, or in this case, for example, on this old video recorder, camcorder, and I'll show you how it works. Well, about the product, it's very easy. On this side it has a USB, and on this side it has some cables for the signals to come into your computer. We got two video cables, S-Video and RCA composite video, and two audio cables, red for right and white for left. On our website you can download the software and the drivers. It depends all on which program you have, which version of Windows you have. So you choose XP, Vista 7, 8 or 10, and then you download the package to install it. Yeah, that's very important. First install the drivers and the software, and then connect this unit to your computer. I'll show you how it works. Here we go. This is the product, the UVG-002 USB Videograbber, and our website you can see here support, and over here you can download the driver and the software. So you choose XP, Vista 10, 8 or 7, and I'll show you the following because this is Windows 10. First, let's do some connections. So I got here the Videograbber, and I'm connecting the following. So I got S-Video and composite, and also the audio white and red. I've installed the drivers, and I want to digitize this video. Okay, so I've connected also here the cables. Let me do audio also. If you don't have S-Video but only the composite, that's no problem, but in this case I'm using all just to show you how it works. Okay, I will start one of the programs. One of the programs is OBS Studio, and you can download the latest version of their website, obsstudio.com. OBS Studio over here. I'm going to start the program, and I'm going to connect the unit, our USB grabber. So it's connected now with the cable which comes also in the package. Okay, now it's very important to add this device. So we do the plus over here, then we choose a video capture device. I say OK, and now we see over here device. And you have to choose OEM device because this is FaceTime. This is the camera of my laptop. And we choose OEM device. I do OK. So over here we can see our movie. I'll press play, and then you see C-3PO and R2-D2 over here. Okay, I will stop it because now I have to go to settings over here. I go to settings, output, and then over here in recording it's very important to determine where to put the digitized format. So this one is going to see users Roger videos. Over here I can choose the recording quality. I choose high quality, and then the recording format. So in this case it's MP4, but you have MOV, MKV, FLV, so you can choose what you want. I say OK. And let's do a recording. Okay. I want to record over here, this part. So now I say over here, start recording. I stop. And now we go to the folder videos, and over here I see this one recorded today. I will double click and it's recorded as a file. So now I can change the name. Let's say Star Wars R2D2, like this, and now I can save it wherever I want. Okay, this is OBS Studio. Now I do the other program, which also comes with the Windows 10 version. It's called ArcSoft Showbiz. I will start it. And it's this program. Now over here you see capture. So you have to select capture over here. And then again it's important to select source. So here we see FaceTime. That's the internal camera. And here's the OEM device. The USB Videograbber. Over here, video input. I'll press play. And then you can see the difference. Well, if there is some difference. As video and composite. So let's choose as video. Then the audio device. You choose audio pin source, because the audio pin source are the red and the white one. And then you press over here capture. Let me rewind back. So like this, and I start capture. And you can see over here that it's saving to see users Roger videos. And I will do a rewind to make sure that you see that it's a different video. Okay, I stop. Now go to the folder. Videos. This one. Let's check. And it's this one because I rewinded it. So this is how it works. Nothing more, nothing less. Just a simple explanation about using the USB Videograbber. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.